morning, another RV vlog. Today we are working on the water line. Gotta go up here and up that way and all the way up that way. This would be prime mushroom growing territory. Boom. So old what looks to be turkey tail. Must have been from closer to the beginning. When it got hot, maybe April when it came out. It's way old now. Really does sound like he's laughing, doesn't it? Walking back to the top because Junior forgot a glove so he don't cut his hand up. Right here. This hair up is all ours. And either way going down. Very thin amount. There's the other part. I'm out of breath. Of the water line. All the way down there. I'm so out of practice. This is the road we have to get up of. It's something a lot steeper than it looks on the camera. I'll tell you that much. Holy shit. We just found out this is a blackberry bush. All those little white flowers. There's a lot of blackberries. So we found this. I think it's a copperhead, the looks of it. Comment down below if you have any thoughts or suggestions, but it looks like a copperhead because of the pattern on the back. Fake strawberries. They are edible.
I'm tired.
Almost done.
It's hot out here. But
So close. You hear the NASCAR. Somewhere over that way is a big NASCAR track. We're almost there. That's where the spigot is, right there. So I'm just gonna have to come all the way up. That's where the septic goes to. Up to where the camper is over there. Storm coming in. Oh, what a breeze out. And that's the beginning of it right there. storm's missing us, but not by much. It is like green. I saw in the video it went that way, and whatever was there moved like that. I went around these trees, and it's over there somewhere, but it's green over there. So I'm gonna go have a look. Whatever it is, it's missing us. That was scary for a second. That is scary. Look at that. It went over that way, whatever it... I mean, it was touching the ground, whatever it was. Green. Yeah, whatever it is, it's right behind these trees right now. See the rain over there? I got a video of it, I'll show it you here in a minute. It's scary. We were very close to being in a really bad situation. It's still rotation, there's some rotation right here. It's raining. There's some rotation right there, I kind of want to keep an eye on it. Am I scared? A little bit. It says the raindrops, man. Oh man. Scary. I miss the mountains a little bit. It's still rotating over there. That's rotating. Then right here, that's rotating. Leslie said she saw some rotation too. Over that way, which you can see right there. Oh, that's scary. That's so scary. Man. I want to keep an eye on that. That's making me really nervous. It's going off a bit way to all the rest of the clouds. Am I scared? Yeah. Yeah, I am. Hailstone. Hey, it's hailing a little bit out here. Some hails. Oh my god. Yo, where'd that weird car go? Oh shit, got hit by hail. Whacked on my head just then. Crazy right now, but we're getting pelted by hail. Can you hear it? The camera's dirty. The camera's always fucking dirty. It's our first big storm in this setup. Camera's moving. Makes me more nervous is that, again, we're still on a bit of an incline and we're not in the mountains anymore. So
I looked up alerts and stuff in the area.
going on?
It said severe thunderstorm warning for this county will expire at 5:45. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, some gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm as it approaches the mountains at foothills.
Oh, so it's actually heading towards where we used to live.
Yeah.
Bird feeder. So I can do my art, look at the terrifying storm and watch birds eat. Oh. So Gus we heard somebody and Gus beeline to the corner and we thought we heard people. So now we're looking. We've had some weird things going on, so it was over there, but then we heard it here. And the reason we're so paranoid about people living in these woods, number one, we haven't combed through all of it yet. And number two, before these campers were here, this was kind of like a spot for people to hang out. Kids, druggies. We also found a camp over that side of the woods. It's abandoned, but it was a camp. So we haven't, so 5 acres of woods, we haven't combed through all of it yet. We keep saying we're gonna go through all these woods. And all the woods back there is like an acre that way, an acre that way, acre that way, acre that way. And like, I'm not really sure how it goes, but anyway, we have all these woods. The woods that go this way, and the woods that go back that way, and it goes back that way. And we've only kind of scoped through here, really good, up to the property line. And that's where we found like an old campsite. Tent, sleeping bag and a bunch of stuff. We've been up there and there's been signs of that people go up there. There's a few trails. But we've never gone in there. But we've been hearing all kinds of strange things. I don't have a gun or anything, so maybe that's the brightest thing I've ever done. I normally hear weird stuff in there, so we had that bobcat. think someone's in our land. So let's video ourselves. How tired I am.
A tree or whatever, small tree that had been broken, and it was like
ticks afterwards.
semi dry, semi wet, so
It's
it
fresh.
happened kind of fresh. So, and we keep hearing.
When you guys went that way, me and Gus heard something
Yeah.
going down that way.
We heard something that way too.
Yeah, because Gus went over there and me and Gus were looking over that way. And then I thought it was a firefly. I don't know, because I didn't see it again. Like a little light, but I was like, oh, firefly. But
We saw a little light over there.
yeah,
Like a big.
it came through that hole. We need to get a better spotlight. Oh. Yeah, there's paths all over the friggin' place, man. And if they've lived here, been here longer. Yeah. But like, this was a hangout spot, wasn't it, for all kinds of people, so they've been here longer.
My dad said this isn't the first time that he's heard something like this either.
I know.
He heard it, and then he said that, no, I'm hearing it.
Well, we haven't come through that. We've gone through there. Like there, we found a campsite in those woods. We haven't been all the way up there yet. We haven't even been in these woods over here. We haven't even looked inside it. We don't know what's in there. He's just right here. He's right there. Voice. It's distant. It's a voice. It's a man's